Today I'm going to finish this autumn landscape by painting a river right here. This river will be different from most of the rivers I've painted because I'm adding some rocks in the middle, which will form some small falls right in the center of the river. So my autumn landscape is finished, and if you enjoyed this video then please like it. Or if you'd like to be notified when I have more videos in the future, simply subscribe to my channel and turn notifications. Also, if you're interested in viewing or purchasing any reprints of my art, including this piece of art once I put it on my website, please check out my website, jonathanschlichterartist.com.